tutorial kung paano gawin ang mail merging. So, ang example ko sa inyo is birthday invitation letter. So, una, punta kayo sa Word and gawa kayo ng letter, kagaya nito. And then, kapag tapos nyo nang gawin, gayahin nyo lang yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Name, gift, table number. So, una natin gagawin, punta tayo sa mailings. And then, click nyo yung nasa taas na Start Mail Merge and Step-by-Step Mail Merge. And then, more items. Select the more items. And then, click nyo lang muna to. And then, more items. Guest name, insert. Delete this. And then, more items. Guest name, insert. And then, second naman is yung gift. Pwede lang ulit natin. And then, expected gift. Oops. And then, the table number. Align lang natin ito. And then, more items ulit. Select the table number. Insert. Close. So, the recipients is 15. Click nyo lang yung recipient sa taas. And then, next, preview your letter. So, ayan. Complete the mail merge. Ayan na siya, guys. Nakikita nyo na lahat sila nandyan. 15. So, ayun lang po. Thank you very much for watching our video. Sana may matutunan kayo kahit magulo. And, yun nga. Bye-bye, guys.